Well, I picked up a set of wheels for this E90. They're just 17-inch ASAs. I think they're primarily sold on Tire Rack, if not only on Tire Rack. They make the car look a lot better. They're kind of yellow though. They're covered in brake dust and stuff, so I'm going to try and clean them a little bit more. Alright, well, I'll let that cleaner, that's actually iron remover, I'll let that sit on there for a little while and then rinse it off and see if that does the trick. Well, it's probably hard to really pick up on the camera, but that's really starting to do it. So that was just kind of one-time quick spraying them and letting it sit. So I think now I'm going to spray it, let it sit for a little, and then agitate it with a brush. I think that'll pretty much get rid of all of it. As you can see, it's still pretty heavy there, but this wheel started out looking pretty much like this one. Well, this rear wheel seems to be the worst, so I'm going to spray this one too. Not agitate it and just see how it turns out. Well, it's been on there for about 5 minutes or so, so now yeah, I'm just gonna kind of agitate it and see. And it's kind of dried up. So it dried after a couple minutes, probably 5 minutes, the time I was letting it sit. So I just sprayed a little more on, and it definitely seems to do much better if I agitate it when it's a wet chemical still before it kind of dries. This wheel is also in direct sunlight right now, so it's probably aiding in it drying, but I'm gonna rinse it and see what happens. Well, that worked really well. This front, which I had scrubbed, the yellowing from the brake dust is almost completely gone. I'm sure with a little more work and some actual wheel cleaner out here, that would probably clean up almost perfect. The rear one that I just sprayed it on and didn't scrub it all, even that one looks like it's almost all completely gone. That's awesome. Well, the iron remover definitely exceeded my expectations.